Hi students, welcome to Stars of Knowledge on the channel. Guys, today's video is completely about the July month examinations. I do get this kind of a comments and I also get this kind of a WhatsApp messages from students that is it okay to book an exam in July or shall we go forward to the August? To be very honest, I believe July or August both will be fine, but July will be more fine. You know why? Because July month examinations will not be really moderate. They will be easy or easy to moderate. That's why I have not yet posted the 10th July, 17th July, 24th July predictions. Only the 1st of July. And also the July Q card prediction is also pending from my side. Because I'm getting this kind of a query, so I thought it's good to make a video and explain you few things. Guys, last time when this COVID situation hits, that time exams were postponed, cancelled. And soon after that, I remember it was 16th or 18th of July when IDP started the exams, and then afterwards British Council started exams city by city. And the exams for few months, for 1 or 2 months, were really easy or easy to moderate. Or maybe just one passage was easy to moderate and the rest was easy. So it was really easy for students for 2 months to get the desired bands. That is, in academic you just need 6 or 6.5. They're just getting that and getting their offer letters and going to abroad, going to the country they want to go to. You know why this happens? Because when this kind of a lockdown or these things happens, students don't get their IELTS exam to do. That's why all the delay in the university's admission, all the delay to the full income to these international countries where students go. So right now, your July or August month, preferably July, if you are planning to give your exams in July or you are planning to book your exam in the July month, then go ahead for it. Yes, it will be an easy to moderate or mostly easy kind of an exams. Okay, and you will be fine. And we are already given you the writing task predicted topics till September. You know, like after September, in the mid of September, your writing task topics add on, and then your Q card, some new topics add on. But before that, in these 2 months, especially the July month, your exams will be good to go. You will be easily achieving your desired bands which you really need, because they want students to do their exams. They want all the students to get bands. So you have a high chance, high probability that you get your desired bands in just another couple of months. So July will be a great month to give your exam. Even the starting August will be also good. You will get an easy to moderate exams. So if you are planning to book your exam, or if you already have your July month exam, good luck for the examinations. Don't worry about anything. You will get your desired exam. Just practice and do it. You will be perfectly fine, because international countries, they need the income, they need that educational income, they want you to come there. So that's why this time it's gonna be a little easier. And we'll give you the 10th July, 17th July, 24th July predictions very soon. And also I am working on the July Q card predicted topics, and that will be on the channel very much soon. If they are not, just leave a comment below to remind you if you think I'm getting really late on these things. Good luck for your examination. Take care of yourselves, and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar and leave a comment below for any query or anything. I'll definitely get back to you. Thank you students. Thank you so much.